Welcome back. I am not well. Can you see in my eyes? Important thing is again in my mind is playing the Sam Bhaiya song. Now it is cleaning the utensils. One thing in my mind is that I had at that age to be earning and all the things that matter that I should make YouTube videos. I want to become an at least one time YouTuber for earning my hand because at that time at my condition is very sometime feeling low. Due to that all the burden in my mind, my family problems also, and my career problem also. And the important thing is that when you are in a no mode of the work, your mind is getting the stuck a stress mode, and you should take a some type of addicted taking some type of normal cravings. Just for example, you just watching a video and you just find someone to talk with, that person example. Guys, if you are in a condition that nobody is listening to you, nobody is um talking or heal your mental suffering, you should meditate, you should talk to the god, you should write down, because I know that at the bad time god is also not with in oral self. Important thing is that in our Indian mindset, the main thing is reality, the main thing is suffering, the main thing is hard work. This is matter a lot, that it is very important also, because this is not mean to make a video. And again message is that I had not a good sleep to right previous night, lot of anxiety, lot of bad dreams, lot of bad people come in my mind, same thing stuck in my mind that I should make a dance video, I should collab with that brother Sam brother, etc. Continuously I my mind is goes in a stress mode. My mind continuously said that I just meet in that type of a friend, that a type of person. I had a lot money to counseling my brain, because at that time my brain condition is so much low. I had not thinking power. I again continuously negative thought, fearing thought, overthinking, bad opposite gender attraction. Again I will just feel I'm not feeling good. That's why my whole day was ruined. I just wake up around at so bad mood. Now just I eating the breakfast, my body was just shivering. I don't know why. Previous night I had a throat pain, cold, not good condition. How I talk to my parents, because my parents are also not in a condition to listen talk with me. So I alone handle and manage myself. It's okay. But when you go outside, nobody's also with not yourself, it is yourself. And no matter that how you're a condition, how you feel, but you should go on a single track. For example, you just go to the college and come back to home. If you do not go at straight, so how should you reach at that time at your home? So same in your life, there are so many problems. So they do not take a stress, and do not wandering anywhere, do not bhatakna mat wo karo. And you should write down what you feel. I know, I just watch all the Gasolina song, uh, D name Bhayan attraction, foreign attraction, Parul make a dress, Nancy Tyagi make a dress, Moniro dress. This so it's things attracted to me, and shuffling my mind fills my mind with the images, videos, reels, YouTube talks, Jana Jumeir, Fazil Khan, Avneet Kaur, Siddhant, lots of so many. My mind is filled just YouTube. So this is the main problem. You should do not use YouTube. I recommended that when you are going to study mode. Important that only 4 days I left my exams. Please, I just all the guys supported me and hope my exams are best. I also do my sometimes I feel that if I had a fever in this, so I was not able to good marks, but I should do my hard work. I recently my plan was go to meet my mom, but now my condition is not good as was going to. But if you have at home, so guys, I know that you should not wake up early in the morning at time, not eat breakfast at time. But it is your harm, it is your loss if you do not do things your time, because nobody is come to talk you that you should do all the time. Nobody at the outside. And so one thing I feel that there must a lot of stress, there must a lots of anxiety, there must a lot of overthinking. But you had a यू नो आपको यू हैव आपको अकल आ जाती है कि कैसे अपने बाहर अकेले सब कुछ मैनेज करना है। बाद में तो कोई नहीं होता ना, तो घर में क्यों आप डिस्ट्रैक्टेड होते हो, घर में क्यों आप गंदी या टाइम टाइम वेस्ट करते हो, रील्स देखते हो, क्यों नेगेटिव थॉट, क्यों पेरेंट्स पे शाउट करते हो, क्यों इतना सोते हो, क्यों कंटिन्यूसली टाइम वेस्ट करते हो, क्यों किसी के बारे में सोचते हो। इस अगर अगर उम, अगर आपने किसी को अच्छा देख लिया चढ़ते हो, क्यों उसे जेलसी कर रहे हो, क्यों उसके जैसा बनना चाह रहे हो। खुद का कंटेंट बनाओ, खुद का वो करो। तो खुद का हार्ड वर्क बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैटर करता है आपकी लाइफ के अंदर। सो यू शुड बी take seriously your life, your goal especially. If you do not have a goal in your life, you should wander anywhere. Nobody is come. I know that this stage I can't imagine think that इस स्टेज पे मैं पहुंच जाऊंगी और मेरा सब कुछ बदल जाएगा, मेरी सोल बदल जाएगी, मेरा माइंडसेट बदल जाएगा, मेरा फेस बदल जाएगा, मेरी बॉडी बदल जाएगी। यू नो, माई थिंकिंग प्रोसेस चेंजेस लॉट्स। टीचर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रेंड्स, कोई भी आपको इस घड़ी पे साथ नहीं, क्योंकि कहते हैं ना कि अगर आप अच्छे रास्ते पे चलो भगवान भी आपके साथ। कई बार आप डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो जाते हो, वो आप कहते हो कि आप डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो चुके हो, बट भगवान जो है वो बहुत कठोर सजा आपको देते हैं, देते थे, देते रहेंगे। ऑल द बेस्ट माई पेरेंट्स का। मैं डू नॉट मेक वीडियो ऑन और उनके सामने। आई नो यू कैन चेक माई आईज, माई हेल्थ इज नॉट गुड राइट नाउ। ओके बाय। It's time around 11:45 and 21.